Google just did something insane. They launched a brand new tool called Nano Banana, and people are already saying it could replace Photoshop and even challenge ChatGPT, all for free. Welcome to Next Gen AI Lab, the channel where I break down the smartest AI tools so you can work faster, create better, and stay ahead of the curve. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the latest AI updates that could change the way you create and work. Google has just launched Nano Banana, a brand new image editor and creator so powerful that many say it just took down Photoshop and ChatGPT in a single move. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to access it and start using it right away. Oh,
Okay.
and it's completely free. Plus, Gemini has also rolled out some exciting new updates we'll dive into as well. So, here's how you get in. And yes, it's totally free. All you need to do is head over to astudio.google.com. Right there, you'll see something called Gemini Native Image. Just click on that. Or, if you want, you can go to the Generate Media tab, and you'll find Gemini Native Image there as well. Just hit New, and boom, you're ready to start creating. Once you click in, it'll open up this brand new image generator. Up in the top right corner, you'll see everything laid out. Things like temperature, token count, and all the different safety settings. Personally, I recommend switching those safety settings off so you have full control over what you create. Now, to really show you how this works, I want to compare it side by side with ChatGPT. Let's upload an image here. For example, I'll say, please change his shirt to bright yellow. And just like that, we're handing this over to Google's brand new image generator. We'll hit run, and then we'll try the exact same thing with ChatGPT to see how they stack up. Alright, so here's what we'll do. We'll drop the prompt in, then upload the image right here. And the difference between the two tools is honestly unbelievable. Look at this. It nailed the edit perfectly. It only changed exactly what I asked for, nothing else. The colors stayed the same, the background stayed the same. Nothing got messed up. Now, when we switch over to ChatGPT, you'll notice a couple of things. First, it's much slower. Sometimes it can take a few minutes just to make a simple change. And the other thing you'll notice is that 99% of the time, it messes something up. While we're still waiting for ChatGPT to finish, by the way, I actually paused the video for 2 minutes, and it's still not done. Let's jump back over here. I want to show you a few more things you can actually do with this tool. And if we scroll down, you can see exactly what got messed up. Yes, it did change the color of his shirt. But look closely. The background got distorted, and even his face looks a bit off. That's the problem. ChatGPT just isn't great at handling image edits. If we head over to Google AI Studio, you'll notice they've rolled out a few more changes. One of the big ones is the new look of the model selector. Now, you can easily filter through everything, whether it's features, what's running on Gemini, what's running on images, or what's running on GMA. Basically, it makes it super simple to see exactly what's available under each category. Another change you'll notice is the history section. Now, you can actually see all your past prompts and conversations right here inside Google AI Studio, which makes it super easy to keep track of everything you've done. Once again, this is a pretty big upgrade. And the last one is this little icon right here. Kind of looks like a tiny spy. If we click on it, it opens up a temporary chat. Your conversations won't be saved. However, any files you upload will be saved to your Google Drive. Logging policies still apply even in temporary chat. So basically, think of it like an incognito window inside Google AI Studio. So that's Google's brand new Nano Banana in action. And honestly, it might just change the game for creators. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe and join us here at NextGen AI Lab, where we explore the smartest AI tools to help you work smarter and create faster. See you in the next one.